Hello students, let us start our new topic, that is equations of lines. So we will take one by one. So first of all, I am taking horizontal lines. So let L1 and L2 are two lines which are parallel to x-axis at a distance b unit. L1 is above x-axis at a distance b unit and L2 is below x-axis at a distance b unit. So therefore equation of line L1 will be y is equal to plus b because the line is above the x-axis. Similarly, the equation of line L2 is equal to y is equal to minus b because the line is parallel to x-axis and it is below the x-axis, that is why it is minus b. The equation of line parallel to x-axis is equal to y is equal to plus minus b. Now let us take vertical lines. Now let us consider here that line L1 is parallel to y-axis and L2 is also parallel to y-axis at a distance a unit. L1 is at a distance a unit on the right side of y-axis and L2 is at a distance a unit on left side of y-axis. So that is why equation of line L1 will be equal to x is equal to plus a and equation of line L2 is x is equal to minus a. So we can say that equation of line parallel to y-axis will be either x is equal to plus a or x is equal to minus a. So the equation of line parallel to y-axis will be x is equal to plus minus a. Now let us consider the next type of equation of line, that is slope point form. So let us consider here that there is a line L which is passing through a point a x1 y1 and is having slope m. Now let there is a point P with coordinates x and y on the line L. Now using the definition of the slope of line, the slope of line L is given by y minus y1 over x minus x1, that is the difference of ordinates divided by difference of abscissa. When we cross multiply it, we will get the equation of line is as m is equal to y minus y1 over x minus x1, cross multiply it, and then we will get equation of line as y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, which is the equation of line passing through a point x1 y1 having slope m. So this is the third type of equation of line. Now let us consider the next type of equation of line, that is two-point form. Equation of line passing through two-point form. So there is a line L which is passing through a point A with coordinates x1 y1 and there is another point B on the line with coordinates x2 y2. So let the line is passing these through 2 points. Now using the definition of slope of a line, so it is difference of ordinates divided by difference of abscissas, that is slope of line L is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So using one point form which we have discussed in the previous, so y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the equation of line in one point form. When we put the value of m here, so we will get equation of line as y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this is the equation of line passing through 2 points. So in this way we have just discussed here that equation of line or line which is parallel to x-axis, it is always y is equal to plus minus v. Equation of line which is parallel to y-axis, it will always equal to x is equal to plus minus a. Then slope point form. Slope point form is equation of line having slope m and passing through a point x1 y1. The equation of that line will always become y minus y1 into m into x minus x1. And then we have discussed that equation of line passing through 2 points, that is first point is a x1 y1 and second point b x2 y2. Then the equation of line will become y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So we will apply these equations of line in the particular questions.